Collegetown Center to take a look at number 507. This is a one-bedroom apartment here on the 5th floor of this 6-story building. Let's come on in. The first thing we'll see over on our right is the kitchen area. You can see the stove, there's cabinets and drawers, a microwave, dishwasher, and refrigerator. Over to our left is the bathroom for the apartment. Let's take a peek inside. There's the medicine cabinet, the toilet, the vanity, and the tub shower. Let's head into the living room portion of the apartment. A one-bedroom apartment has 2 distinct living areas. You've got your living room and then a separate bedroom. So this is the living room space. We're furnished here. You can see the sofa and easy chair, coffee table, end table. There's a dining table and chair. We do have the desk placed out here in this apartment. This apartment has a closet here in the living room. So you have some nice extra closet space. That's great for suitcases and extra storage and winter coats. Let's take a look out the window. We have a nice south-facing view here in Collegetown Center in these one-bedroom apartments. So it's a nice view. There's an east nook over here where the dining table is. Let's go into the bedroom. So here's our separate bedroom. You can see the door that we go through. And in here we have the full-size bed. We have the dresser placed in here. There's also a bookshelf behind the closet door over here. So another closet, and then your bookshelf. So this apartment does have 2 closets. They are both nice size. And we're also facing south from the bedroom, so we still have that nice south view. So it's a really pretty valley view. So that's a look at Collegetown Center, a number 07 style one-bedroom apartment. We're here on floor 5 of this 6-story building, and we're located just 1 block from campus.